Welcome back to the Advanced Manufacturing Technology lecture series. It is lecture number 1 of module 2. I am Dr. Gautam Pal, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering of University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. So here the word manufacturing was derived from two Latin words. Manus means hand and factus means make, that means made by hand. So the goods in the year of 1567 was made mainly by handicraft or simple in features as compared to the today's complex products. And the goods are produced and assembled by the craftsman itself. And if there is any problem arises, then the adjustment will done by the craftsman itself. So now today is the era of mass production. Today is the era of interchangeability and selective assembly. So each parts a product is made up of several parts, and each part is a manufacturing is a production system. So here if you see the production system, it depends on the facilities and the manufacturing support system. So manufacturing system where various uh, manufacturing system facilities mean manufacturing system where different types of machines and factory and the layout of these machines are very important. Either it is process layout, plant layout, or it should be the uh, cellular layout, whatever may be. Now manufacturing support system delivers the product design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, and the business function. So in that case, first it comes the product design. Then after the design has been approved, then you have to go for manufacturing planning, and then you have to go for manufacturing control. Then it comes to the manufacturing system and factory and layout, everything. But where the automation is related. But before that, we have to go to various state categories of manufacturing system. That is manufacturing manual work system where workers with hand tools can make the product. This is totally manual work system. And manufacturing process with worker with machine system, that is worker with machine, he can produce the manufacturing processes, completed the manufacturing process. So the human work done is multiplied by the machine. And next, fully automated system where automated machine are used and intermittent in attention from the worker are needed to make the manufacturing process to be completed. Here is comes the automation in production system with the computerization or with the advancement of computer on every field of this production system. The computer are needed. So it is automation to the manufacturing system, and otherwise from business function to the product design to manufacturing planning to manufacturing control, in the every field this computerization is needed. And also for the factory and plant layout, these are LTAP, cold lab, these are all done with the help of computer. Now here this is very important. You have to know where the if you draw the product variety with respect to the product quantity, you see the standalone or programmable automation, that is CNC machine or NCCNC machine can do varieties of product it can do, but at the same time the product quantity is very less. It is from 1 to 100, and fixed automation or hard automation can do 10 lakh or 1 lakh product, but at the same time the variety is very less, one or two types of product it can produce. But flexible manufacturing automation is the bridge between these two. That means it can produce a medium sizes quantity with medium varieties. So I have thank you.